So today we're going to look at how can we get our laboratory data quickly and easily into OpenGround without having to retype it. So this tool is really for scenarios where your laboratory doesn't use a laboratory management system like KeyLab. Maybe they're using Excel to process their lab test results or some other software that can't produce a standard AGS or DIGS file, which are data interchange standard files for geotechnical data. The Dataforensics Lab Converter is a service that runs inside Dataforensics Cloud. So you must have a plog Cloud user or Rapid CPT user, Dataforensics Cloud user to use this. If you don't have that, reach out to Dataforensics to find out more about how you can do that, or contact your plog or Dataforensics Cloud administrators internally. Once we log in, we're going to go to the Lab Data Converter. And we're going to upload an Excel file that I will open up. So here's the Excel file. It has a significant number of test results already in here, whether it's moisture content, Atterberg limits, sieve analysis hydrometer data, interpreted results from your sieve and hydrometer, specific gravities, unit weights, organic contents, corrosivity series, Proctor's CVRs, various strength tests, whether that's UU or CU triaxial, direct shears, rock unconfined compression, consolidation, and hydraulic conductivity / permeability tests. So lots of data. Basically input all your results for a single sample on one row in Excel. Better yet, have your lab produce this spreadsheet directly from whatever they're using, so nobody has to retype it. And then this file can be pushed directly into OpenGround. So let's look at how that works. So we're just going to give it a name. Just give it some dummy notes. And let's go choose that file. Okay, so we've uploaded that file to the cloud. You see it's right there. And we have various options. We could edit that file, replace it, we could download it, we could get CSV files that we can import into Wholebase or OpenGround, or we can just push the data directly into OpenGround. I'm going to go find the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers cloud and select that. And I have set up a dummy test project that I'm calling my USACE Training Lab Converter. So this is just the list of all the projects you have in your OpenGround cloud environment. So let's select that, choose what template we want, and this template is what maps the data from Excel to where it should go in OpenGround. So if you have additional properties that you would like to use and input in that Excel spreadsheet above and beyond what we have already shown, you can set that up under Manage Templates. So let's look at what's going on with our status. So you see that this one is in progress. It'll take about a minute for us to push that data in, and then we will look at it in OpenGround. Okay, so it has now finished the upload process. So let's go to OpenGround and see all the data that we have just loaded. So let's go find that ZZ Lab Converter project. There it is. We'll open that up. And let's expand all the lab testing tables. So we'll see we've got some consolidation results, some density tests, Atterberg limits, moisture contents, grain size test results, and percent passing data, total and effective stress triaxials. There's our moisture contents, great. There's our Atterberg limits. Perfect, including those non-plastic results. There's our grain size test results. Consolidation test results. Effective stress triaxials and total stress triaxials. So all the data that was in Excel has now been pushed directly into OpenGround, so that you can use it, analyze it, visualize it with all your other borehole and in situ testing data.